I'll go straight to the point. All this withheld me all this time. Now to take my this and take them out for a walk. I stretched the team out in Meazza and I became the first training phase in Europe. You had swollen my leaves by calling Sariegi Basmeno, Guma Buchesa, Vidra Goofy, and now that they threw your eyes out with a terrific play against Inter, you lick me and all you say, what a nice coach and Kate is and what a nice system he plays. When I was playing exactly with the same system in the last games, you were calling me gypsy. You were saying that I was going every night at the Bouzoukia and a bunch of other m***s. I always believed in Colossal Sariegi, in Imperial Gumas, and in multi-Black and Decker called Vidra. You saw that Sariegi is now the first scorer of Panathinaikos Champions League.